Hey there, digital marketing aficionados. Are you ready for a Google Ads revolution that'll knock your socks off and send your sales skyrocketing? Well, you better buckle up because today we're revealing a groundbreaking strategy that's set to change the game in 2023. Forget everything you thought you knew about Google Ads because we're about to dive headfirst into uncharted territory. And trust us, you won't want to miss it. In this video, we'll guide you through the ins and outs of this game-changing approach to Google Ads, showing you how to harness its incredible power to boost your sales and leave your competitors in the dust. So let's dive in and prepare for liftoff with this brand new Google Ads strategy. The shift in Google Ads landscape. Let's take a quick look at how the Google Ads landscape has been shifting recently. You see, there's been a significant change in the way we approach advertising on Google. In the past, keyword targeting was the ultimate superhero of Google Ads, saving the day and bringing in conversions like it was nobody's business. But guess what, my friends? Keyword targeting isn't flying solo anymore. It's now teaming up with another powerful ally, audience targeting. Yes, that's right, audience targeting is like the Robin to keyword targeting's Batman, complementing and enhancing the dynamic duo's effectiveness. Google Ads is embracing the power of understanding your customers on a deeper level, allowing you to target your ads based on demographics, interests, and behaviors like never before. This new approach is all about reaching the right people at the right time with the right message. A marketing triple threat that's set to revolutionize the way we think about Google Ads. The power of audience-first targeting. So what exactly is audience-first targeting, and why should you care? Well, in a nutshell, it's all about putting your customers front and center in your Google Ads campaigns. Instead of simply targeting keywords, you'll be able to create highly targeted ads that resonate with specific customer segments, making your campaigns more effective and driving higher conversion rates. To tap into the power of audience-first targeting, you'll need to do some deep dive customer research. Understand your target audience's needs, wants, and pain points, and use this information to craft tailored ad copy that speaks directly to them. The result? Ads that feel like they were made just for your customers, increasing the likelihood of clicks, conversions, and ultimately sales. How to implement audience-first targeting in your Google Ads campaigns. Now that you know the what and the why of audience-first targeting, let's dive into the how. Implementing the strategy in your Google Ads campaigns requires a few key steps. Research your target audience. Get to know your customers like the back of your hand. Understand the demographics, interests, behaviors, and pain points. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's the power to create hyper-targeted ads that convert. Segment your audience. Divide your target audience into smaller, more specific groups based on their unique characteristics. This way you can create ads that cater to each segment's needs and preferences, increasing your campaign's effectiveness. Craft tailored ad copy. Use your audience insights to create ad copy that speaks directly to each customer segment. Make them feel seen, understood, and valued, because when customers feel special, they're more likely to take action. Monitor and optimize. Keep a close eye on your campaign's performance and use the data you gather to optimize your ads for even better results. The key to success in Google Ads is constant improvement, so never rest on your laurels. If our brand new strategy has you pumped to skyrocket your sales, show us some love by smashing that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for even more amazing content that'll help you dominate the competition. You won't want to miss out on the tips and tricks we have in store for you. Combining audience-first targeting with automation and AI. Want to supercharge your audience-first targeting strategy even more? It's time to embrace the power of automation and AI. By combining your hyper-targeted ad campaigns with the latest machine learning and artificial intelligence tools, you can optimize your campaigns like never before. Here's how to do it. First, utilize Google's Smart Bidding. Google's Smart Bidding algorithm uses machine learning to optimize your bids for conversions. By combining audience-first targeting with Smart Bidding, you can ensure your ads reach the right people at the right time, without breaking the bank. Second, leverage AI-driven ad copy tools. Take your ad copy to the next level with AI-powered writing tools. These cutting-edge technologies can help you craft compelling, targeted ad copy that resonates with your audience and drives conversions. Third, employ machine learning for campaign optimization. Use machine learning algorithms to analyze your campaign data and identify opportunities for improvement. This way you can continuously optimize your ads for maximum impact and ROI. Maximize ROI with conversion tracking. Now, if you're ready to squeeze every last drop of value from your Google Ads campaigns, it's time to master the art of conversion tracking. This often overlooked tactic is the secret sauce that'll help you measure your success, fine-tune your campaigns, and maximize your ROI. To get started with conversion tracking in Google Ads, first, define your conversion goals. Before you can track conversions, you need to know what you're tracking. Is it sales, newsletter signups, downloads, or something else entirely? Be clear on your objectives and tailor your conversion tracking accordingly. Next, set up conversion tracking in Google Ads. Head to the Conversions tab in your Google Ads account and follow the steps to create a new conversion action. This will generate a tracking code that you can add to your website or app, allowing you to monitor when users complete the desired action. It's also crucial to track conversions across devices and platforms. In today's multi-device, multi-platform world, make sure your tracking code is set up to capture conversions from mobile, desktop, and tablet devices, as well as from various browsers and operating systems. With your conversion tracking in place, analyze your conversion data regularly. Review your conversion metrics to identify trends, spot opportunities for improvement, and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Lastly, remember that conversion tracking isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process. Continually test and tweak your campaigns, ad copy, landing pages, and targeting strategies to see what works best for your audience and drives the highest conversion rates. By mastering conversion tracking, you'll gain valuable insights into your campaign performance and make data-driven decisions that drive growth and profitability. And there you have it, folks, our comprehensive guide to Google Ads in 2023, packed with all the latest strategies, tips, and tricks you need to explode your sales and dominate the digital marketing landscape. With these tools and techniques in your arsenal, you'll be well equipped to conquer the competition and achieve record-breaking success. Before you go, we have a question for you. Which of these Google Ads strategies are you most excited to implement in your campaigns? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We can't wait to hear your insights. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge digital marketing content. Your support means the world to us, and we're dedicated to helping you achieve greatness in all your online endeavors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.